GoPro server. Oh, you did it. GoPro, you just do whatever you want to do. All right.
You need the beep back,
Let
obviously.
me play with the microphone. Hello.
It's recording.
It is.
You've been playing with it. There you go. Try it.
What is going on, guys? We are at Verde Valley, and
I was going to talk to you before you started videotaping.
oh, what were we going to talk about?
How do we test the speaker or the mic?
Well,
How do we know it's working versus not working? We need to
hello,
run a test
hello.
and maybe unplug it and then do it. And while you're filming, be aware that we're getting a lot of handle noise, so don't move it around.
Okay.
Now you can start.
We've been having problems with handle noise again. We do have a speaker on the side of this thing, but
Not speaker.
that
Microphone.
Microphone. I think you said speaker earlier.
And I said no, not speaker, microphone.
This is just a huge fail, isn't it?
Well, that's what the whole video today is about.
It is. This is all of Karen's flub ups and mistakes over the last 2 years, and you know, while I try to do the best job that I can,
I just keep screwing it up.
yeah.
No, I think you're just as guilty as I am. But
so?
everybody has bloopers, and we're just going to share some with you.
We are, because they didn't make it into the videos. We have started recently adding on bloopers onto the end of the videos, which has been kind of fun. And but we had all these other bloopers gathering in a file, and we thought, you know, we've probably got enough to throw, at least enough of you to throw a video together.
Well, guess what? It's all about you. I took all mine out.
But we're going to talk about Sunday, our live today. If you didn't turn your clocks back,
Beware.
actually, no, you're turning them forward. Spring forward. Turn your clocks forward.
We're in Arizona. We don't have to do nothing.
But we found your lost hour that you're going to lose. We found it, and we're going to use it for happy hour for Sunday.
There you go.
So we got.
Who does the bloopers?
So stop on by and say hi tonight. Tonight we're going to be talking about boondocking.
Boondocking 101.
101, yeah. So we're looking forward to that. We have so many questions from people looking to get into RVing and how to find boondocking, where to start with boondocking. So we're just going to start from the very beginning and work our way out to where most people, if you have questions along the way, you can ask. And hopefully by the end of the night you won't be so fearful of boondocking or have so many questions, and that's going to be kind of fun. So we're looking forward to it. We'll see you there. And I guess Karen put together this video, so
I know.
yeah.
And it's awesome.
We'll see you later, guys.
Bye. See you tonight.
Okay. Serious.
Okay, go.
Go ahead. You.
No, you started it already.
What? No, I didn't start it. You
You got
What?
bugs.
Now you're hitting me?
This one bug says, I want to be on camera.
I can see it.
Why don't you turn the phone around so we can see
Well,
it?
I could do that, but then it doesn't get the nice wide picture.
Oh, true. Would you watch it? You're going to have to cut that out for sure.
I'm grabbing her boob at 1,000 trails.
Seriousness.
Seriousness? Okay. I don't know what else we want to say.
I don't either.
I don't either. Okay, now it's your turn. Wait. Where?
Try it again.
Okay.
Take 5.
Take whatever it is.
Okay.
All right. You want to lead us in?
Yeah, right.
Oh, see? What is...
Okay.
What? Oh. You okay?
Like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Get serious now. Are you leading?
Reacting.
Am I leading?
Go for it.
I'm going for it.
Yes.
It did.
Now it's recording. Where did it stop?
I don't know. It didn't beep. The little beepy thing.
I hate you, GoPro.
This is like take 5.
Okay, now we should have it down pat.
GoPro, stop recording.
It's still going.
GoPro, stop recording. Do we have keys?
Still don't have keys.
We still don't have keys. I'll be right back. We need keys.
Kind of.
Helps if you want to move. Heard that.
Are we back on
Or
that side? Doesn't cut it.
Yeah, just making engine noises and shifting gear noises. Somehow
Doesn't work.
it doesn't work.
It's like we want to get in where they're at 1 o'clock and they're all fiddle farting around. Sides. And they won't let you go back there until there's other people have checked out. No matter how long they frickin' take. Oh, you're videotaping. Take 7.
You are evil. Evil GoPro, you are evil. Gonna shut off again?
Do not say that word. S-T-O-P. Don't say it.
The GoPro has some sort of unknown English language that it understands that apparently takes things that we say differently than the commands it's supposed to understand. So it keeps shutting off.
It has evil in its heart.
And I have to stop.
I feel like Adam the Woo.
There's lots of people walking around here, so let's try this again.
Trains, trains, and automobile.
Yeah.
Hi, people. Okay.
And this one's for my son who loves these things. This bush is crawling with them. They're all down in here. You never know what you're going to see around here, I swear. Oh! Uh-oh.
It's all good until they go running.
It's all good until they scare the crap out of you. I know my son would be laughing right about now.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Get it away from the couch.
Get it away from the couch. Oh, that's the first one we've seen out here, and we were just sitting there talking to you, and I saw it crawling along the road there. There is a roadrunner in the coach. You can't stay here, little roadrunner. I know you don't want to be here. You have to go out the door. You have to go out the door, little roadrunner. No, the door. That's glass. That's a window. You have to go out the door. Go on. Go on. No. You have to go towards the door. Oh my God. There is a Roadrunner on the dash. Go ahead. Oh. We thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you like the videos. So if you don't like the videos, go away. Shoot.
Okay, watch a few before you decide.
Well, watch a few, I suppose, but if you're not gonna, just go away.
Yeah. All right. Fine.
Right.
Say goodbye to the nice people.
Bye, people.
Bye.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye, guys.